Legislation is always changing. We've heard it on the TV and on the radio. So today I brought in the local expert Naomi from Guardian Smoke Alarms to discuss some facts. Whether you have appointed a managing agent for your property or are doing so privately, there are certain obligations that are mandatory when it comes to smoke alarms. So Naomi, recently these laws changed. Are you able to enlighten us a little bit more in regards to these changes?
It will be required that there will be more alarms placed in the home and that they will be interconnected wirelessly or with 240 volts.
Excellent. I find that tenants can be a bit frustrated in relation to bugs and smoke alarms going crazy. What is your suggestions in relation to that?
A quick tip from me is that while you're vacuuming your home, you just run the vacuum around the alarm and get rid of any bugs or spiders that might be trying to live in there. Predominantly, smoke alarms are installed in the home for when we're asleep. Research shows that while we're sleeping, our sense of smell is also asleep. So we need to make sure that we are protecting our home and our family while we're sleeping. Another way to protect our family is to have an escape plan in place and practice this escape plan with our family on a regular basis, so that in the unfortunate event of a fire, we know exactly what needs to be done to get out.
So Naomi, is there a time frame attached to these changes?
Yes, in a 5-year time frame, the 1st of January 2022 is the end of this time frame, but of course for safety, sooner is better.
Can landlords still choose to test the alarms themselves?
Absolutely, but best practice states that we should leave these kinds of decisions in the hands of the professionals.
I agree, and as an agent, I would hate to leave the decision of life and death in your hands. Better having that peace of mind.
We understand that property owners have good intentions when it comes to installing smoke alarms in their property. However, it can easily be misunderstood or misinterpreted as to where the best place for the alarms are. Placement can maximise the escape time that you have in the event of a fire.
So contact someone like Guardian Smoke Alarms to ensure your home is compliant. Even I do here at Elite.